Patient had followed our protocol to this day 7. Yeah, today we're going to see exactly day 7. This gentleman, 25 years old, he have done 2,500 grafts. Technique was smart FUE. Indication here is he had hair loss for 2-3 years. The hairline receded and have reached to male pattern hair loss level 3. 2,500 graft is put in the design area. This is the design. This is the irregularity on the left side. This is the anterior point. This is the lateral point. This is the lateral point on the right side. This is the design at back. Concavity. This is the grafted area. This is the existing hair or the original hair. The result, after 9 months, when this grow and this grow, it looks the same, homogeneous. This is a donor area. In the technique of smart FUE, the donor area heal rapidly.
I would like to thank GLOJAS for performing a really good job on this surgery for me. They has exceeded my expectation, as I have high expectations for the result, and I really am very impressed with Battle's work on this.